Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam da kasni. Kisur puli poetry kilong gajing phalange gajat benriu karib ka kran gakta ya kalong rinyang marinyang ki briu. Ki briu ki basngau tho bat shampang ki tip bat kim mong namar ki yo iye ka jingja kabla dep ja bat ban sajia. Ka Samla Evanisha Pathaw ka win ki khun Samla ka bri unyautrem ka badane ka sap ka phang ban rai ban thau jing rai bat poetry ka don ru ya urendang bas yang ban rai ne ka Myllung Samla jing ka ri khasi
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन ए वतन ए वतन वतन ए वतन ए वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन हा 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 हा
Kadai ka samla ka bamtiang bamre banthau banchna jingrai kat kum ka jingjia jingne ki bala long shisha la hakikam imlang ne salang shishu ka Samla Evanisha Pathaw kadai ka dukhat jing ka All India Poetess Conference balayalam da ka kong streamlet dekhar men ha ka lai potrik uyayong kala shimbenta ha ka jing poetry bala pnya da ka kinhun nong thau poetry ha ka poetry bala thau da ka Samla Evanisha Pathaw kadai shapang ki jingjia ki bajia bat mi ha kilat pathai bar ki jing yakhi ki ba phalo ba ka imlang ka salang katay ka poetry ba ka puli ka pinkindit benriu yaki nong sngam kindiat ka Samla Evanisha Pathaw ka ka nong thau poetry ka Myllung roi ka ka nong tremon sngoba da ka kam bar ka ka nong tho Myllung ka na shillong bat ka ka nong job jong ka jingwat surklur jong ka jilla jong ka than shatay lammi ngi ka Evanisha Pathaw kum ka nong thau nong roi kala dep ya ka kot khasi baning kong jong ka blatip kum Kisur Nashlam ka donut, yakni ka kot lakar shanda katanat arts and culture, jong ka sarkar Meghalaya. Baladi hadu sauspa plus copy hadu minta. Kila yoru ika khusnam, Miss Beauty with Brain na ka All India Poetess Conference Habidar Karnataka, house name Arhajar Khatpra. La itu yaka kum ka The Real Superwoman 2020 da ka Forever Stars of India bakla long ka nongjam. Baningkong haka YSI Singing Idol Ayum 2.
I used to see and face so many, like I used to see people facing so many social injustice within, be it in the state of Meghalaya or maybe outside the state. So because of all the injustice which I have seen, that makes me write down these poems. And in this poetry collection we will see I have mentioned about the social, the economic, the political injustice, and there are so many other injustice faced by people all around the world. So the title of the poem, which I'm going to read out, it's Breaking the Change. In schools where kids should learn and grow, the chances are not the same, we all know. Some have books, some have none, their dreams held back before they have begun. The rules are harsh, they were treated wrong, a child of color doesn't belong. They're punished more, they're pushed aside, while others with more are given a right. In jobs where work should be fair, the doors are closed to those who care. A name, a face, or where they are from can't stop you before you have even begun. Hard work is done, but pay is low. The chance to rise is much too slow. They fight to grow, but find to climb a wall that holds them back in time. On city streets where justice should be, the law not kind as we can see. A hand is raised, but fear is near, a life in danger just for being here. The system built to turn away, to judge by color, not what you say. A judge, a sentence far too strong, while others walk away all along. But still we fight to change it all, to break the change, to stand up tall. Together we will make it right and bring the darkness into light. We all deserve a chance to rise, to live in peace with open skies. The fight is hard, but we will be free, together stronger, you and me. Thank you so much.